So today we will be talking about how to create a free landing pages or how to create an application, the web application just by using free tool or AI tool. Let's be specific. Let's call it AI tool, and this is the AI tool which I have recently discovered. So this the name of the application or the website is v0.dev. So what it will help you to create, the application of web page or landing page, or will help you to write the code in just fraction of seconds just by writing the good prompt about your requirement. So let's say what we did in this case, we just have given the clear cut instruction, create a modern responsive landing page for a fictional SaaS company that we don't know as of now. So based on that, I have just given few more the kind of things that needs to be involved in the landing page, particularly about sections and I know some of the features. So it just thought for a second and then created the whole code based on my requirement, and we can see the same in just by clicking on the preview, and then we if we want then we can also review the code. But see, this is what it have created just in 10 seconds. Not just that, I know in the free plan you can just, I mean in a free version you can just give instructions in total 3 times. So once all the requirement is fulfilled and then you are good to go. If not, then you just have to wait for the next day, or you can just buy the paid plan. But that's not the thing which I'm wanted to talk to you. The thing is, the idea is just with the one prompt, a good prompt, you can just create one of the best landing page in the world just by using the good prompt. And not just that, let's not just about talk about the the creating, but also about the deploying. So you can deploy the same code on Versal just in 10 to 15 seconds. So what I did actually, so once the code is created, let's say you are satisfied. If you're not, you just go ahead and make the changes according to your own way. If everything is doing fine, then what you can do, you can just click on this public and publish button, and you can deploy the same code on the version completely for free. So in this case I have did the same. So it took around the 40 second just to deploy the whole code on the on different production site. So you will be getting a domain, a free domain from the platform itself. So this is the the completely live site which I'm trying, which I'm showing to you right now. So this, see it have, I mean it have created one of the best landing pages, trust me. I mean, of course I'm not saying this is a fully functional, but based on your conversation with the tool, you can just go ahead and do it. That's what the the tool is all about. So try it and do it. Let's see next time. Thank you so much.